Question number 64. If the equation 1 plus m square into x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square equals 0 has equal roots, then prove that c square equals a square into 1 plus m square. Let us prove it. Here what is given? 1 plus m square into x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square equals 0 is given. Here this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Means it is a quadratic equation. It is given that this quadratic equation has equal roots, means b square minus 4ac equals 0. If the roots are equal, then what is the value of the discriminant? Discriminant value is 0, means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Now let us write the values of a, b and c. A is the coefficient of x square. So here coefficient of x square is 1 plus m square. Then you write a equals 1 plus m square. B is the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 2mc. Then c is the constant. Constant is c square minus a square. Then you write c equals c square minus a square. Now you write as roots are equal. As roots are equal, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. Then you write b value. B value is 2mc. b square means 2mc whole square. Minus, write 4. A value is 1 plus m square. 4 into 1 plus m square into c. C is c square minus a square. C square minus a square equals 0. Then square of 2mc. 2mc whole square is 2 square is 4. M square is m square c square. Minus, write 4 as it is. Multiply this. 1 into c square is c square. 1 into minus a square is minus a square. M square into c square is m square c square plus m square c square. M square into a square is m square a square. That is minus m square a square equals 0. Then here you can remove 4 common. This whole you consider as 1 and 4 common. Then you write 4 into m square c square and remove the bracket here. That is minus into c square is minus c square. Minus into minus plus a square. Minus into plus minus m square c square. Minus into minus plus m square a square equals 0. 4 into is there. You can remove that 4. Because equals 0 is there. Remove that. This one you take here. Then m square c square minus m square c square cancels. And you can remove this 4. And what is remaining here? Minus c square plus a square plus m square a square equals 0. Then you transfer this minus c square to the RHS. Then here what is remaining? A square plus m square a square equals 0 plus c square. Here you remove a square common. A square into what? 1 plus, here what is remaining? M square. Here a square is there, it is removed as a common. In the bracket, in the first term, what is remaining? 1 is remaining. That is a square into, here 1 is remaining, plus m square is remaining because a square is outside. 1 plus m square equals c square. That is, interchange LHS and RHS, you will get c square equals a square into 1 plus m square. Write c square in the LHS and this in the RHS. You got the result. Here c square equals a square into 1 plus m square.